Oh, I'm recording. Yeah. I thought it was a picture. Psych! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, this is Chatting with Chas, and I'm your girl Chas. Welcome! Okay, so, and for those of you who are returning, thanks so much for coming back. I love you, and I appreciate it. Alright guys, so today on Chatting with Chas, we're going to chat about how to start working out. So again, for me, this year was about physically, mentally, financially, emotionally, all of that, getting fit, getting into shape. So I'm bringing to you how I have started working out. I've got 10 tips. If you're interested in knowing what those 10 tips are, just keep watching. Tip number 1, start slow and start small. So don't just try to decide, oh, I'm going to go run a 5K, and you can't even walk to the mailbox without breathing hard. Okay? Like, come on. Don't kill yourself here. We need to start small and start slow. So for me, I got really serious about working out in January. So January and February, I really focused on eating healthy, but at the same time, I started taking walks. So we have like a trail through my neighborhood. I started walking on that, or I would go to the gym that I was using at the time and just get on the treadmills or on the elliptical for about 30 minutes, 3 to 4 days a week. And that was it. I wouldn't do anything else. I was just getting on the treadmill just enough to kind of get my heart, pumping a little bit, get a little bit of exercise in me. But at the same time, what I was doing was also forming a habit of getting back into the gym. Tip number 2, and this is probably my favorite, buy cute workout gear. Like, it's a reason to go shopping. Why not? But seriously, you guys, that is one thing that motivates me the most, is when I get to pick out all my cute workout gear for the week. With my cute little matching tops and my sneakers and my really cute little leggings, with all the designs on them and stuff. Buy cute workout gear, because it really does. I mean, if you care about what you look like, of course. I'm a firm believer that when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you do good. Go shopping. Buy you some workout gear. You're going to feel a lot better. You're welcome. You're welcome. Tip number 3 is going to be, make this a lifestyle change, not a fad. Don't get on, another one of these bandwagons that everyone ends up falling off of. I prioritize my workouts. So when I sit down on Sunday to make my whole entire plan, I have to sneeze really bad. Okay. Whew. When I sit down on Sunday to make my plan for that week, to make my schedule and see everything I have going on, I also look at my gym schedule so I can pick out what classes I want to take for that week, or at least I usually try and get with my gym buddy to help me do that. But we'll usually sit down, pick out what classes are going to work best for us that week, and then I actually plan my days around that workout. So it's literally about making it a lifestyle change. Don't get fooled for these diets and fall into these trends, because literally just as easy as you fell into that, you will fall off. Tip number 4, F your excuses. And because I don't curse specifically on this channel, I will say forget your excuses. Seriously, guys, throw your excuses away. Excuses are not helping you build that body that you want to build, right? Excuses are lame. They're whack. Get them out of here. Stop making excuses. If you know that this is what it is, you need to remember your why. You need to be motivated. You need to be ambitious. You have to motivate yourself to get this done, because at the end of the day, it's benefiting you. So forget your excuses. Oh, I'm tired. For us ladies, ew, my goldfish is dead. I'm on my cycle, blah, blah. Girl, if you don't pop you a pill, drink you some water, and get your butt inside that gym, you will regret it. Forget your excuses and just make working out a priority. You have to be serious about it. You have to want it. Tip number 5 is get you a workout buddy. So again, y'all just heard me talk about my workout buddy. He is my gym buddy, and he literally changed my whole entire life with helping me work out. He was the first person when I was talking to him just about how upset I was about how fat my arms were and this and that and et cetera, who said, well, here, friend, I got a 1-week pass to my gym that you can go free and you can try it out with me. Come try it out. Come try out all the classes with me that I'm taking and all the fun that I'm having. Take this 1-week pass and come make a change. And I took that 1-week pass and I have not looked back. Yeah, I haven't looked back since. So we go to the gym just about every single day together, and we push each other through these classes. And even when one of us doesn't really feel like doing it, the other one is always there going, no, come on, we gotta go to the gym today. So it really helps having a gym buddy. If you don't have one person like that you can think of, like a person in your life that you can think of that will help you go to the gym, do group exercises, because oftentimes you'll continue to do that same class and you'll continue to see the same people, and eventually you'll form a connection with somebody or a few people who are in that class that, there you go. Now you got some gym buddies. And not only that, but you just made new friends. So it works. Tip number 6 is going to be to create a plan. So again, like I said, and I say this in everything that I do, you have to have a plan. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. If you fail to plan, your plan is to fail. Like, you're going to fail. You cannot attack or tackle anything if you don't have a plan for how you're going to accomplish whatever the goal is. So a few tips back, I prioritize my workouts by sitting down and creating a plan. Like, we look at the gym schedule, we decide, what classes and stuff like that we want to take, and then create a plan to make sure that I get those classes done. Make sure that you create a plan. Tip number 7 is going to be, and this is kind of not really about how to work out, but I definitely think it's a way, is change how you eat. Make sure that you are eating healthy, that you're getting tons of vegetables, your fruit in, that you are getting lots and lots and lots of water. Y'all, I have started eating so much more since I've been working out. It's like crazy, but I guess because I'm burning so much more energy, my body needs that fuel to keep going. So I am making sure that I am eating meals that are going to give me the energy I need to get through my workouts, because I usually work out at the end of the day, not in the morning. I also try to take a snack with me to work just so that I can eat and drink my water and stuff probably like an hour or 2 hours before my workout. So tip number 8, lose the scale. So, you guys, if you are getting on a scale every single day, every single Friday or whatever, you're just beating yourself up because either that number is not moving down fast enough for you, or maybe it's not moving at all. And there is no bigger way to discourage yourself from sticking to what you're doing and, and continuing to keep going than feeling like you're not making progress. But the progress is not in that number. The progress is on how you feel and how you look. I typically weigh myself every 4 to 6 weeks, so to say, so maybe like once a month here and there, but I am constantly taking pictures of my body so that I can see the progress instead of me depending on this number to kind of tell. Lose the scale, start taking pictures, start taking photos of yourself, and really gauge your success by how you look and how you feel, and not by the number that's on that scale. Tip number 9 is, at the end of the day, you have to be patient. Just be patient with yourself. Rome was not built, in a day, and neither is your body. You're not going to be able to start working out and 2 days later see this drastic change that you want to see, or within a week be able to fit into those jeans, that you've been trying to fit back into. You have to be patient, and don't measure your results by somebody else's ruler. So that's a saying that I absolutely love. Don't measure your level of success using someone else's ruler. Meaning, we all grow and change at different rates. So even though somebody else who's doing the same workout that you're doing, the same eating regimen, that you're trying to follow in the same lifestyle or similar lifestyle, they may lose weight a lot faster, or at least they may show results a lot faster than you will. Don't beat yourself up because you don't think your results or your success is coming as fast as you want it to. Tip number 10, and this is my last tip, just have fun. Time flies when you're having fun. So before you know it, you're going to look up and you're going to drop that weight. You're going to be fitting into those clothes that you were trying to fit into. And not only that, but you're going to notice that this is now a routine, that this has become a lifestyle for you. Just find something in it and make it fun. And the second that it's not fun for you anymore, stop, reevaluate, and research. Find different ways that you can shake it up. I know for me, I get bored very quick. So a lot of the times I lose interest in stuff very, very, very fast. So constantly changing up my workouts, constantly changing out my meal prep or what I'm eating and trying new things are some of the ways that I just am able to make things more fun. I'm able to make this a fun journey. But again, like, be nice to yourself. Have fun. Don't be mean to yourself. Don't beat yourself up. Just make it light, make it airy, make it fun, and hopefully you'll be able to inspire somebody else. So that's it, guys. Those are my 10 tips on how I have started and plan to continue working out and getting happy and healthy. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so now by clicking the subscribe button below. I post videos every single week and would absolutely love to have you here every single time that I do. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you guys give it a thumbs up. I would love to know down below in the comment section what types of things you guys are doing to work out. What are some of the tips? Maybe I missed a few and you guys have some really great tips. Let's chat about them below. Let's chat about... Darn it! I almost got through a whole video without doing it. Let's chat about it below in the description, in the comment. It's a wash. Done. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.